I hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Colin. In this video, we're going to have a look at the crypto market of today. A lot of craziness going on. Fear and Greed Index at 11. It will likely not stay that way. So the next update will happen in 13 hours. It's likely to go lower. Why? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some stable coin nightmares. So Bitcoin has basically plummeted over the last 24 hours. That's basically what it comes down to, from about 28K to about 24K, where 7 days it was at 30K before, even 31K. So definitely a rapid fall in the last 24 hours. 24K, it went as low as 23.9, right now around 24. Definitely another downfall, which means that Ethereum coming down from 1.9K right now at 1.2K. A lot of interesting things are happening. Again, same rapid downfall. In more concerning news, obviously it's unfortunate that things are moving down, but there's definitely a reason for this. I covered Celsius on the Digits Club YouTube channel, so make sure to check that out. Type in your search bar Digits Club. You'll go to the Digits Club YouTube channel and there is a full video on the Celsius meltdown. But as well, there are some stablecoin problems. So you got the USDD, the Tron currency basically depegged before, right here, but saved quite quickly. And that was basically a while ago. So year to date, all time, that happened here, but it was never really a strong one. They never let it slide below 0.99, and that has again occurred today, but it did go and tested 0.98, right? Which, I mean, they have sufficient funds. They are deploying everything to save the peg, basically, and I assume they would be able to do so. And you also got the US, let me do it correctly, USD, which one was the other one? C? No, that's not the one. USDN? Yeah, USDN backed by waves. That one has been depegged as well from this point onwards quite aggressively, 0.95, and then basically it recovered. And now again it is panicking. So this is tied to waves, and what's waves doing at the moment? Basically therefore losing its value. What is TRX doing? Tron for the other one, also down. But the volumes basically increase because people are obviously looking for arbitrage opportunities as well between that. Biggest gainer in the last 24 hours, the stables, and there's almost no gains. Biggest loser on the top 100 coin, CurveDAO, which is one of the liquidity systems, I assume. Nexo, Maker, Steppen getting hurt real bad. Over the last 7 days, the biggest gainer right here. Nothing that interesting, but the biggest loser is definitely interesting. Aave, Waves, Phantom, Elrond, all the big names losing tremendous value. Insane buy opportunities obviously following, right? We never know what the future holds, but this is where the market gets exciting, because sitting on a big bag of stables for the last 2 months, I've been getting impatient. But I'm trying to keep my cool. I've been looking at Solana. I've been following it slowly all the way down. I think I'm going to wait a little bit more. I don't want to wait too long, but of course, $135, and it's yeah, I think $15 is the no-brainer way. I want to make my entry before $15, but everything is looking quite good. And obviously, it can always go down more, but so far, I see tremendous opportunities in most of these systems. I basically did a lot of thinking recently because obviously I haven't made as many videos on the crypto market. And I kind of changed my approach. Where I still love the launch pads and I think they will do well in the bull market, I still love the crypto gaming. I'll be investing a little bit more of my assets, the majority of my assets, like probably 60%. Into infrastructure, so long-term infrastructure, because I'm also not looking to pull it out in the next bullish one. I'm looking to dollar cost average in and also dollar cost average out. And then the crypto gaming will be like 30% of my portfolio, and then Launchpad's 10%. And the crypto gaming is where I basically do my fun trades, where I keep everything, where actually some trades happen. And then the other ones, what I'm saying, infrastructure. So I'm just trying to buy in, and then I'll just see for the long term. If I need to hold that for 2 to 3 years, I don't care, because I don't think these prices will show up this low multiple times, right? They might tease you a little bit, but then again, like Vulcan is obviously one of my favorite gaming tokens to buy in. Ultra would be good, Illuvium would be good. So probably a little bit of the less risk. And then obviously you can also go for like the insane risk on the other side, right? If you go down more. So Vulcan already all-time high, right? 46, something like this, 44 on the all-time high. And now basically $3, so it's a 10x. That's like juicy stuff. But you can make it as crazy as you want. You know, we covered it before. I'll probably cover most of these projects in a separate video, because the bear market is full of opportunities, you know, where people are extremely fearful and extremely afraid of what might happen. There's obviously tremendous opportunity in the pipeline. Doesn't mean you have to throw thousands of dollars in it. I mean, this one basically devalued so much when we would look at the all-time high, $9. So almost a 200x down. Yeah, you know, why not throw just $100 on Defina, put it in a cold wallet, and just wait 1 year, see what it does. You know, it's like spreading your risk so much. I would definitely not be too bullish on all of these shit coins, because if this would really last for another 6 months, 12 months, some of these companies will not make it out of the market, right? We got Magicraft right here, where I'm still quite bullish on it. We did really good with that exit, well, basically at all-time high in that case, right? Which was just after the launch last year. We exited at the all-time highs. That was great, and then it was basically, yeah, they had the NFT announcement and everything, but the market, you just can't go against the market that much. You just have to wait and be patient. And that's for most of these crypto coins anyway, right? So definitely crypto gaming will be super interesting, is super interesting as is, right? But now it's more looking for the opportunities. Not even looking for the opportunities, it's selecting what you want, how much you want it for, and how much quantity would you like. And then obviously make a choice, because you can only deploy your capital once. That's very important, right? Obviously you would understand this, but also never wait too long, right? I saw an interesting tweet this morning saying like, hey, if you would buy something right now, it can still go down 50%, but the most important thing is it didn't go down already 95%, right? I think it was Becker, I'm not sure, but that's like a good analysis. Like if you are doubting whether to buy Solana right now, one thing is that you have waited for it to come down from here, $250, all the way to $27. So even if you would make the entry now, it goes down 50% more, you've already gained the initial loss of it going down, right? So it didn't go down. Like if you would buy for 250 here, right now you're down 90%, right? So if you would go 50% here, it's not as bad as 90% earlier. So that's basically the analogy where I think like, yeah, that would make sense, you know, like throw some money in Avalanche, throw some money in Polygon, throw some money in Solana, throw some money in Polkadot, XRP I'll skip, Cardano I'll skip, throw some money in BNB, right? Because it's inevitable that these infrastructure tokens will do really, really well when the market does either stabilize or recover. Throw some money in the DEXs, throw some money in support infrastructure, right? Kadena as a layer 1 blockchain, right? I think that's also a very interesting one in terms of the progress they've made, right? I mean, the rally was of course huge right here. The rally was amazing, and then it has gone almost all the way back down to these early opportunities where they started to get traction. Well, it's already there, right? 141. So it's like literally at the first initial traction. That's basically where the major opportunity was at. And I think that is something that your patience will be heavily rewarded once you do so. But make sure to come back to the channel, because I'm back with consistent content for at least the time being, because obviously we need to have some fun in the bear market, and I will cover the opportunities for each of these projects with a bearish trend and why I think they are great opportunities to consider, right? We have a lot of time. You can think, you can consume the content, you can think about it again, we can have a discussion, and if you would like to have a discussion about all the opportunities in the crypto and NFT space right now, click the link in the description below. It will take you to our Discord server called Digits Club, and we have amazing AMAs there. We have good conversations about crypto, and you can let us know what you think are the best opportunities right now. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. I'll be sure to have a look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.